So look, hot mess, right? Look like I done stole my niece, little sister clothes, something like that. Then you got this arm. It's still high up, but like, first of all, the wind is not getting up there. It don't look so crazy. Like, at least you look like your clothes fit now. And it don't even have to be a solid color. Like, it could be different colors to match whatever you wearing. I'm telling you, like, I make a whole bunch of these because, one, because I like to wear them and I think they're cute, but two, to go with like different types of outfits, different materials, different types of prints, whatever. My mom sews. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I don't sew. I'm learning to sew. My mom sews, so with these, she helped me, but I got a way to do it myself. I can show y'all how I do it. So I got a pair of leggings. Yep, leggings. I take a pair of leggings and cut them down from the bottom. Like, they could really be as long as you want because leggings are long. They could be, the sleeve could be all the way up your arm. It could be a short sleeve, but the main purpose is like to make up that difference in between your wrist and your sleeve. So, you know what I'm saying? Take it as high as you want, as short as you want, whatever the case is. So you take your leggings, you just cut it. Cut the legging as long as you want. And if you sew, you want to get like a thin piece of rubber. I don't have no more because I used up what I had. But like a thin piece of rubber, you can get it from the sewing section. I got mine from Walmart. Just thin rubber. And you're going to take where the top is at, because the small part of the legging, like the foot part, that's going to be your hand, where your hand goes. So you want to take the top. You can put the rubber there, fold over the top, just fold it over. And they actually have like glue that you can put on material now. But stitching it is easy. Like, stitching it is super easy. But like I said, if you just can't sew at all, because I could stitch, but my stitches are not like super cute. But if you can't sew at all, they do have that tape that you could put so that you could flip the seam, you know, make it neat on the top. Like, this is what it comes out looking like. And it's like scrunchy. So, you know what I'm saying? Your arm stretch, depending on what size your arm is. That's what the rubber is for. But to be honest, you could probably take like a sleeve off a regular shirt. The thing is like about the leggings is they have that stretch. So I never tried the shirt, but I'm saying like a sleeve is a sleeve. But for me, like, the leggings work perfect because I like the stretchiness of the legging, and then it get super tight, like right where my hand go. It just end up being perfect. And these is like my favorite little things when it's cold outside. Like, it's not time for gloves. And even if it was time for gloves, the gloves don't be long enough like that. But it's not time for gloves, and it's definitely time for a jacket. So you need something to keep your arms warm and keep you looking cute. Like, come on now. Who don't want to look cute when they get dressed? Like, who want to look awkward or like they made a mess when they was getting dressed? Like, you want to look nice and neat and cute and fly and fresh and all that. So, like, you can make these at home. I make them all the time. I have like a million of them. And I love them. Like, they're perfect. They perfect for the winter. They cute for looking cute. They just cute. Like, it's a win-win. So, tall girls, long arms. You don't even have to be tall if you just got long arms. But if you have an issue with always having like short stuff and you short shirts, short jackets, short coats, you have this option. You can make these sleeves and they'll make your stuff look so much neater. Like, so much neater. Like, this coat is navy blue, so that black wasn't really looking too fresh with it. So, boom. See, this is cute. Now, it looked like I have a shirt underneath that's coming from under my jacket, but see, I don't. Fresh. See, that's what I love about it. Like, you don't have to layer up to make sure your sleeve could cover your arm. No, you just throw these little extra sleeves on and you be good to go. Like, what more could you ask for? So thank you so much for checking out my video. I hope that you really liked it. Like, I'm new to this whole video making thing, but you know, I got tons of ideas and I just want to show y'all how I do with my tall self and see if I can help another beautiful tall female out. But make sure y'all comment, like, let me know what y'all think. Like, I want to know what I could improve on, you know, stuff like that. And I really hope that somebody tries this, because this is what's up. But subscribe. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel to see some other videos that I got coming up. But thank you so much again for sticking with me. And I hope that I helped somebody out today. Have a great day. Have a wonderful fall. And guess what, y'all? Christmas is coming.